First, let us click the 3D house icon in the Quick Access toolbar to open the 3D view of the model. Then, let us scroll down the property palette and tick the section box. While moving the mouse over the section box, we can see the edges of the box is highlighted. Let us click on one of the edges. We can then see many sharper edges arrows. These arrows are used for controlling sections. To demonstrate how it works, let us click this arrow of the rectangular part and drag it to some elevation to create a cross-sectional view of the model. You can drag another arrow to create a cross-section in a different direction. Also, you can use the view cube at the upper right corner to quickly change the view into a predefined one. For example, if we click on the surface with a wall top on it, we have the top view of the model. Now, let us say we want to have a cross-sectional view of the model from the side. How do we do it? First, we click on the small part at the upper left corner of the view cube to return to the default 3D view. Next, click on the arrow on the face of the rectangular part on the right side of the model and check the positioning one. Then we can see the interior design or structure from the right